Next little series we had on the table is Ariella. Ariella is also an American product, and you can use these products in conjunction with each other or separately and individually. Right, so if we take this one on the right hand, it's Ariella Mist. Mist is basically a saltwater spray, but this saltwater spray, when I use it, I did actually recognize that it was slightly more lighter, smoother, and not as crunchy as most of the saltwater sprays then when you apply them. Some saltwater sprays, they have a really strong hold, so it gives the hair a lot of volume, but it also stiffens them quite hard. Some of them are of the sort of softer character. This is definitely a soft character and leaves the hair quite smooth. You can use it with or without the blow dryer, and you can use it as a pre-styling product to the next product, which is the cream. Natural matte cream, but it's a bit stronger cream than, let's say, from Layrite or JS Lone. The thing I like about this little baby over here, that a lot of people that visit our barbershop, they buy this particular cream for the hair because it's a small size, it's a traveling size, so they're not gonna take it away from you in the airport, them bastards, just because it's more than a particular amount. So for the carry-on luggage, this will work just as fine. As I said, you can use it in conjunction with mist. Mist will give you more volume to the hair. This will hold that shape that you will create when you're styling it. As for the style dressing from Ariella, this product, it's like a hair oil. It gives a little bit of hold, but mainly it saturates the hair, makes it softer, smoother, slick, and shiny looking. So you can use this first, and then to some parts that are falling out of the shape, unless you need a haircut, you come here, of course. But you can use the cream from Ariella to shape it up afterwards, or you can just three different products, three different effects. The mist is gonna give you more volume to the hair, more crisp and hold. The cream is obviously gonna hold the hair in its place and make it stiffen up. Biggest advantage it was that it's a travel size. And the style dressing, it's more of a product that gives your hair treatment rather than styling. So also good for curls, also good for girls with the long hair and for the tips of the hair, even though it's a masculine smell, but smells wonderful. All right, and the products can be used in conjunction, mist and cream, or dressing and cream, whichever you prefer, or separately from each other. Choice is yours. Would like to try it? Come by.